In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a basic AI workflow in N8N. AI workflows allow you to automate tasks like generating text, summarizing information, answering questions, and processing data using large language models. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger so you can easily test the workflow while building it. Later, you can replace it with another trigger, such as a webhook, schedule, or form submission. Next, add an AI model node, such as the OpenAI chat model or another supported provider. Connect it to the trigger node. Now configure the AI node by connecting your credentials and selecting the model you want to use. Then enter your prompt. For example, you can use a simple prompt like summarize this customer feedback in 3 bullet points. The AI will use this instruction to generate a response. If you want to organize the output, add a set or edit fields node after the AI node. This lets you rename fields or prepare the response before sending it to another application. Next, connect an output node. For example, you can send the AI response through email, save it to Google Sheets, post it in Slack, or deliver it to Telegram. N8N supports many integrations, so you can choose the destination that fits your workflow. Run the workflow to test it. Review the AI-generated response and make any adjustments to your prompt or model settings until you're happy with the results. Once everything is working correctly, activate the workflow. You can later replace the manual trigger with an automated trigger to create a fully automated AI-powered process. And that's how to build a basic AI workflow in N8N. Connect a trigger, add an AI model, define your prompt, and automate how AI-generated content flows through your favorite applications.